صحابة أجمعين أما بعد السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته and good evening. Your Excellency, allow me also to echo the appreciation of the Muslims in this county for hosting us in this iftar. And as I had told the President when he hosted us at State House that he goes down in history as the first President of the Republic of Kenya to host an iftar for the Muslims in his first year of presidency. And I'd like to also say to you, you go down in history as the first governor of Nairobi to host an iftar, first for Muslim to host an iftar, and secondly, to host an iftar in your first year of governorship. So I say thank you. I stand here as the Deputy Chairman of Jamia Mosque, Your Excellency, and receive greetings from our Chairman, Sheikh Muhammad Osman Warfa, as well as our Secretary General, one because one of them is outside Nairobi and the other one is indisposed. But as I address you on behalf of Muslim leadership of this country and Muslim organizations. I know my elder, Mzee Abdullahi Abdi, has spoken, but what I'm speaking here has also got his input. So I speak on behalf